Good morning children, welcome to my class. So we shall continue lesson 11, that is present continuous tense. Okay, so present continuous tense tells us about the actions that are going on now. Okay, it expresses an action or actions that are going on now. Okay, along with the verb we always use ing with the present continuous tense. Okay, and as we are showing the present state of time, so we are using is, am and are. Okay, these three, you can say, helping verbs we are using in present continuous tense, that is, am and are. Okay, so let us do exercise A today. We are going to do exercise A today. Okay, please see, please follow. You have to write down in your copy. So you see here, two options are given. I am not going to write any option. I am going to do this in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay. I is or am visiting grandfather in the afternoon. I shall explain you. I dash visiting grandfather, visiting grandfather in the afternoon. So with I, we never use is. I am visiting grandfather. I am visiting grandfather in the afternoon. Okay. They is or are swimming in the pool. Please see the subject. You have to follow the subject everywhere. Okay. They dash swimming in the pool. So they are swimming in the pool. The subject is plural. Okay. We have to see the subject. The subject is plural. Here they. Along with they we use are. Okay. Siraj is or are talking on the phone right now. Siraj dash talking on the phone, dash talking on the phone right now. So Siraj is talking on the phone right now. We have to select between is or are. See the subject, Siraj is a boy. Okay, so with singular subject we use is. Alright. Amit is or are doing his homework now. Number 4. Amit, here also see the subject is singular. So Amit dash doing his homework now. Dash doing his homework now. So Amit is doing his homework now. Okay, Amit is doing his homework now. Next number, my brother is or are working on the medical project. My brother, singular subject. My brother means one. Okay, my brother dash working on the medical project. Working on the medical project. Okay, so my brother is working on the medical project. Okay, we have to select between is or are. So the subject is, see, my brother. Along with my brother we are going to use is. Alright, my mother and I. Now you see the subject here, plural. My mother and I means two persons. Okay, and I dash cycling to the store now. Cycling to the store now. So my mother and I are cycling to the store right now. So one thing you have to keep in mind, okay, that we have to see the subject. Along with the subject, we are going to use here the helping verbs, that is, am or are. Okay, so you see here, I am visiting grandfather in the afternoon. They are swimming in the pool. Siraj is talking on the phone right now. Amit is doing his homework now. My brother is working on the medical report. My mother and I are cycling to the store now. Alright, one more thing children, please follow the verbs here. All the verbs you see, visiting, along with the verb we are adding ing, swimming, okay, talking, these are all the verbs, okay, doing, okay, my brother is working, cycling. So along with the verbs we are adding ing, you see. So you see all the sentences are in present continuous tense. Alright, please write down this in your English language copies. Thank you.